Breakthroughs in physical AI are letting AI move from screens to our physical world. And just in time, as the world builds factories of every kind for chips, computers, life-saving drugs, and AI. As the global labor shortage worsens, we need automation powered by physical AI and robotics more than ever. This, where AI meets the world's largest physical industries, is the foundation of NVIDIA and Siemens partnership. For nearly 2 centuries, Siemens has built the world's industries. And now, it is reinventing it for the age of AI. Siemens is integrating NVIDIA CUDA X libraries, AI models, and Omniverse into its portfolio of EDA, CAE, and digital twin tools and platforms. Together, we're bringing physical AI to the full industrial lifecycle. From design and simulation to production and operations. We stand at the beginning of a new industrial revolution, the age of physical AI, built by NVIDIA and Siemens for the next age of industries.